to help me with the sprained wrist, I've been using my therapeutic. I don't know if it's thermopeutic or therapeutic. This is meant to strap around the body, but ow, you can use it for anything. And that's what I've been doing. I can put my wrist in here, and I get full coverage all the way around the wrist and the hand and the arm. It's very easy to use. I don't have to wrap anything because I can't wrap anything because this all the way up here and all the way down through the wrist, it's injured. So some people might say you need to have something specifically for the hand or the wrist, but this has worked out really well. Just rest my arm on there, rest my hand on there. I'm able to get a lot of ice treatment. I'll leave an affiliate link in the video description if you want to purchase one of their ice packs. It is cold. It is so cold. I should be using a cloth in between this and my skin, but I just wanted to show you this is just an incredible product. I've got other ice packs that they make. My swelling is mostly down on the wrist, on both sides of the wrist, and it was on the hand, and it is up on the arm over here. I don't know if you can see the swelling over there, but this ice pack has been a lifesaver.